guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace serpentine belt and what the belt diagram is on a Dodge Dart guys. We made a video guys how to remove and replace it in the car, but in today's video we got the engine out so we can show you the diagram and how to install it, because that way with the engine out of the car we can show you every little detail. Otherwise it's impossible to get every little detail with the camera, because it's such a limited room guys. You do not have to remove your engine. Why we removed it? Because we'll be making at least 100 videos on that engine guys. We'll be taking it completely apart, so please guys subscribe. Also we'll have more than 200 videos on that Dodge Dart and every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's start on the belt now. So check it out guys, that's what the engine looks like. Okay, the belt is right here, and we're going to explain now about the diagram, how you remove it, how you replace it. This belt is a very tight fit belt guys. Okay, so the belt itself, okay, sometimes you just get the tensioner loose and remove it from the alternator, but on this one guys, you may need to remove it. Okay, you may need to remove it from the idle pulley or the tensioner pulley. Let me show you now. Okay, this is your tensioner pulley, 16mm usually guys, a box wrench, offset box wrench, fits really good with the engine in the car. Okay, and you just go, okay, counterclockwise, like that. Now if I try to remove it out of here, I don't have enough room guys from the alternator, so I have to slide it from the idle pulley. Okay, like that. When I slide it out, okay, I can go ahead now and pull the belt out. Check it out, perfect, just like that. Now, if you guys need to buy a new belt, we have the link in the description of the video below. Offset box wrench, all that will be guys in the description of the video below for your convenience. We'll get the new belt now and we'll put it together and show you what needs to be done. So how you guys install that thing now? Okay, you usually start from the crankshaft. Okay, you come from the crankshaft to the AC compressor. From the AC compressor it's going to come to the idle pulley. From the idle pulley it goes to the alternator. From the alternator it's going to go to the water pump back there, and from the water pump it's going to come back, okay, and it needs to get on the tensioner. But now it's hard to get the tensioner going, so what I'll do, I'll remove it from the idle pulley again, okay, and get it on the tensioner. I'll hold it like that. Now I'm going to get a 16mm, just go counterclockwise, release, and now the only thing left is to make sure guys that the belt aligns everywhere, because if it's off one tooth or something like that, it will be destroyed once you start your vehicle. So check all the pulleys, crankshaft, water pump, alternator and AC compressor. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.